In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit a case in Salesforce. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just need a refresher, I'm here to guide you through the process with ease. Let's dive in and explore the steps you need to follow. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Salesforce Help Center. This is where all the magic happens in terms of finding support and submitting cases. It's always good to familiarize yourself with this area because it's your go-to hub for resolving any issues you might encounter. You'll find various resources here that can make your Salesforce experience a whole lot smoother. Once you're in the Help Center, look for the option to click on Support. This is your starting point for submitting a case. The support section is designed to assist you in getting the help you need, whether it's technical support or general guidance. Take a moment to explore the options available here, as it can really streamline your support process. Now, if you're experiencing more complex issues or need a little more personalized help, consider reaching out to Agentforce. This service provides you with direct access to Salesforce agents who can assist you with any problems you're facing. It's a great way to get real-time support and ensure that your issues are addressed promptly and efficiently. Don't forget, you also have the option to check on the status of your existing cases. To do this, simply click on My Cases within the Help Center. This section keeps you updated on the progress of your submissions, and you can easily track any responses or actions taken by the support team. Keeping an eye on your cases is crucial for staying informed and prepared for any necessary follow-ups. With this roadmap, navigating the Salesforce support system can become a seamless part of your workflow. Remember, whether you're submitting a new case or checking up on an old one, the Help Center is designed to make this process as easy and straightforward as possible. That wraps up our tutorial on submitting a case in Salesforce. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel more confident moving forward. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore the support features available to you. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy navigating.